up, guys? Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic today, and hope you just didn't see what was right next to me because something for the rancher, because I haven't done anything with the rancher in a while. But anyways, this morning, I went to go start the old Chevrolet behind me, and the dash didn't light up when I turned the keys. So I knew it was battery related, so I figured before I started, load testing the battery to make sure it was good, I would check the battery terminals. So, sure enough, I went over here, find the latch, just a second, there it is. Went over here, over to battery terminal, and none and behold, but the positive terminal is loose. And as soon as I wiggled the positive terminal, I heard the dash start making noise and buzzing. And you've seen it already. I got Silverbacks and SS wheels for the Rancher. These are IRS wheels. If you don't know what that means, they're on an SRA Rancher. They have a deeper offset rear rim, which makes them compensate for the solid rear axle. And so if you put IRS wheels on them, the back wheels will be sunk in more. And so I'm going to have to order 2-inch spacers for that. And I'm going to have to order lug nuts, which I got this snap-on wrench set on a deal, 7-piece snap-on wrench set, and I'm going to be trading that for, I'll show you in just a second, be trading that for a door panel just like this, the same color, but it's got switches right here. And they already have this sliders with a motor on it. So I just have to swap all that, swap the door panel, and then this window will roll down by the button, as the passenger one does, if you've seen my older videos. So I'm going to get this terminal tightened up real quick, and then we'll go into more of what else I've been doing. Okay, so got this battery terminal tightened up all tight, should be good to go. And by the way, if you're wondering, these are 30, no, you can't see that, 30 by 10 by 12. If it's not very good lighting, that's because I'm slowly losing daylight because I chose to do this at the wrong time of day. But I'm going to try to do this fast and try to get done with this before it gets dark. Anyways, the truck doesn't have a grill because I've been paint matching. And I had it all done, but I sprayed some clear coat down here and it started to bubble, so I had to sand it all down again. But anyways, oh yeah, I don't know if y'all have heard of the channel called Loud and Proud, but if you haven't, go check out his channel and subscribe because it's an awesome channel. I watch it myself. Every time he uploads a video, I am clicking on it and watching it, because he just does awesome videos. He does all sorts of Cummins, and he's done Duramax before. He just gave away a silver 3rd gen Cummins, and he will be flying the winter out, or he'll be paying for their gas to drive out there. But anyways, he's doing. It shocked me that he was giving away this truck, but he just announced the next giveaway truck, and I'll pull up a picture on my phone real quick. But it shocked me that he's giving this away because he just got it, and it's worth a lot of money. Let me see if I can find a picture real quick. There it is. It says 2019 Dodge Ram 3500 Limited dually 4x4, and you can see that very good. Then, as you saw right there, every $5 gets you 2 entries. That only lasts until the 22nd of September, and then after that, they'll be over. The double entries will be, and then I believe, I'm not sure, but don't quote me on this, but I think it'll be $5 per spot instead of $5 for 2 spots. But then it'll continue until October 27th. So if you want to get entered to win that truck, and like I said, every $5 gets you 2 entries. That's a freaking awesome deal. So let's say you go order a hat that says Loud and Proud on it for $30. That is, let me see, 12 entries. So you get 12 entries for $30. So go get your entries while you can, and if I can figure it out, I'll drop the link down below right here on the screen. If I can't figure it out, I will put the link in the description. My Facebook name, if you have any questions, my Facebook name is always in the description of every video. And if you have a Honda Rancher 350, 400, 420, or Foreman 500, my Facebook group is always down there too. We're like, I think we're at 11,500 members, and it's growing so fast. It shocks me how fast it's growing. Our group is I'm not trying to brag or anything. I'm just telling you how good of a group ours is. Because we're very helpful. I answer all the questions I can, no matter what time of day it is. If I'm awake, I'll answer whatever questions I can to the best of my ability. But we even have Polaris guys in there asking us questions because we answer more often than the people in their group do. So if you need help, just hit me up on Facebook, and I will try and drop the link on the screen. But if I can't, it'll be in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and leave a comment down below. I read every comment, so don't feel like I'm ignoring you. And if I do miss a comment, because sometimes it pops up and I don't see it because it gets mixed in with other videos, just drop a reply or drop another comment, and it should pop up. I should see it. So if you have any questions, I can answer them. And you can go back and check out my videos. I have a video on Pioneer lights on my 420, Haze Fab lights, 28-inch silverbacks, a big gun. I have tons of stuff, and it's just gonna continue more and more. As soon as I get spacers and lug nuts, these silverbacks will be going on. But that'll be it for this video, and y'all have an awesome night.